Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Infinix. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access background apps by clicking on this square button. Now click on the top right corner of your app and click on this tiny window. As you can see, after that I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, just hold it and drag it. In order to use it overlay the other app, click on the other one and operate in both. If you want to close your window, you can do that by tapping on this X at the top right corner or swiping it in the background. If you want to make it full screen though, click on the top left corner instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!